Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch has about 50% battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the companion app, allow permissions for notifications and location, and follow the quick pairing prompts. Once paired, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi so updates and data sync smoothly. You do this now to avoid interruptions during setup. It speeds firmware updates and ensures apps install correctly without repeated pairing steps. Once paired, choose a watch face and add complications you use most so info is one glance away. Go into health settings and enable heart rate, sleep tracking, and automatic workout detection. Turning these on improves accuracy because the sensors operate continuously when allowed. Next, customize notification priorities and set Do Not Disturb schedules so alerts match your routine. Make sure to sync app layout from the phone to avoid clutter, and test one workout to confirm data recording. Finish by syncing music, adding payment cards, and downloading offline playlists so you can leave the phone behind. Test calls, messages, maps, and start a short workout to verify GPS and sensors are recording correctly. If something goes wrong, slow sync, missing heart rates, or pairing errors, try a reboot first. If that fails, unpair and repair the watch or perform a factory reset. This clears stuck settings and usually fixes sensor or Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.